Welcome to my channel. Today, we will be talking about the best Square loans for seasonal businesses. I run a seasonal business, and for years, those slow months were tough. I needed capital to buy inventory and pay staff before the busy season hit. But traditional banks didn't understand my fluctuating income. That's where Square loans, which is really a merchant cash advance, completely changed the game for me. Here's why I think it's one of the best options for seasonal businesses like mine. First, the offer is proactive. Square already knows my sales history because I use their point-of-sale system. I didn't have to fill out an exhaustive application, write a business plan, or meet with a banker. An offer simply popped up in my Square dashboard, customized based on my actual performance. That speed and simplicity when I'm already juggling preseason prep is invaluable. Second, repayment flexes with my cash flow. This is the biggest benefit for any seasonal business owner. Unlike a traditional loan with a fixed monthly payment that's due whether I make $1,000 or $10,000 that month, Square takes a fixed percentage of my daily Square card sales. When it's my peak season and I'm bringing in high sales, I pay more and I pay the loan down faster. When it's my slow season and sales are minimal, I pay a lot less. If I'm closed, I don't pay anything that day. This structure eliminates the immense stress of a large, fixed payment hanging over me during quiet months. It perfectly aligns my debt repayment with my revenue cycle. Third, it's a fixed fee, not compounding interest. When I accept a loan, I pay a single fixed fee, which is added to the principal. That's the total cost. It doesn't change, and it doesn't accrue interest over time, even if my repayment takes longer because of slow sales. This transparency made budgeting so much easier for me. I knew the total repayment amount from day one. In summary, if you are a seasonal business already processing payments through Square, the Square loan is tailor-made to smooth out those cash flow dips. It's fast, the repayment is flexible, and the cost is clear up front. It allowed me to purchase the necessary inventory and hire staff ahead of my busy season without risking my personal finances on a high-stress fixed payment loan. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.